Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Bair Middle School. And I thank you all for taking time to come and celebrate this accomplishment with us at our newly renovated Media Center. The new space is a 21st century learning environment our students deserve. And I just want to thank the district for making this possible.
This media center is the way it should be. Small groups, a setting, an open environment, and exploration pieces. This is what media centers should look like.
I would like to present a proclamation today to Bair Middle School. May this renovated media center stand as a beacon of inspiration, guiding generations of learners toward a future filled with knowledge, creativity, and boundless potential.
To the superintendent, Dr. Holness, to the entire board, thank you for transforming this space, because we as parents know that in middle school, transformations really begin.
It is really important that we provide these kind of environments that are conducive, and as a district it was such an honor that we were able to deliver this to Bair for this year so their kids can actually feel comfortable in this library.